Today we will discuss how to replace an existing lid with Hog Slat's new spring style bin lid. Please note this lid will fit feed bins with peak collar ring diameter sizes of 22 inches. Make sure to have all necessary safety equipment present at the time of replacement. Lay out all items and determine what you need to carry up with you. Place these items in a convenient place within your work area. Thread the HS-719 5/16 nut onto the HS-804 eye bolt. Then thread the eye bolt completely into the lid using a 5/16 nut as a jam nut. Before climbing the bin, take a rope and tie to the lid securely. This will safely get the lid to the top. Once you are on top, have the old lid removed. Inspect the peak ring for damage or warping. If needed, clean and lubricate the ring before installing the new lid. Pull the lid up to the top peak ring and set in place. Loosely secure the 607-065 3/8 carriage bolt and the 606-82 nut on the clamp band. Rotate the lid in a position to install one of the two provided springs. Please note there is a right and a left spring. Place the spring on the pivot bushing, making sure the spring loop is facing downward and is snapped in. Using pliers, grip the outer end of the spring and rotate around until the end of the spring end rod is aligned with the bushing slot. Rotate lid and repeat the last step. Align the eye bolt and wheel with the guide bracket. Tighten the carriage bolt to secure the lid completely. Remember not to over-tighten the clamp band so much the flanges are bent inward. Install the provided cable to the HS-804 eye bolt through the grommet on the side of the bin, making sure all is aligned properly. With the lid in full open position, slip the lock collar over the cable and tighten just under the GST-LD3035 guide bracket to lock the lid in the open position. If desired, align blue pull handle at the bottom of the bin to proper operating height. Once at the desired height, remove any excess cable left over. We hope this video has been helpful and we appreciate the opportunity to serve you.